Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install Tunnelbear VPN on your computer. First, open your web browser and go to the official website. Type tunnelbear.com in the address bar and press enter. Make sure you are on the official site to keep your device safe. On the home page, you will see a button that says Download Tunnelbear. Click on it. The site will automatically detect your operating system, whether it is Windows or Mac, and start downloading the correct version. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder. Find the Tunnelbear setup file. Double-click on the file to start the installation. If you are on Windows, a setup window will appear. Click Next, then choose the installation folder, or leave it as default. Click Install and wait for the process to finish. When it is done, click Finish. That is how you download and install Tunnelbear on your computer. Thanks for watching.